Hello, kids. Today we will count from 1 to 10 number, along with cute dinosaur.
One, two, three, four, let's recall. Counting is so fun. Near the lake, look and dive. 5 little fish swim side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting is so fun. Dinos pops up in the trees. 6 little birds singing in the breeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting is so fun. In the jungle, dino sees 7 green leaves lay in the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting is so fun. On a rock so big and bright, 8 ladybugs red and white, crawling left and crawling right. Counting is so fun. Up above where clouds are seen, 9 little birds fly in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting is so fun. Now the stars are shining bright. 10 fireflies glow at night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now we counted 1 to 10. Let's sing it all again, my friend. Numbers are so fun to say. Let's count more every day.
Thank you, friends. Join the fun at TinyQ. Hit subscribe for exciting, fun-filled learning adventure, perfect for curious kids.